Hi everybody, this is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com and we are looking at ticker symbol NETE. This chart is a 15-minute chart and each candle represents 15 minutes of trading. As you can see here, there was this close yesterday above the middle Bollinger Band and the EMA's 4 and 8, and then there was this big gap up open at the open today, and candles continued to ride EMA's 4 and 8 support higher. So this was a very strong day for NETE. The EMA's 4 and 8 are the key support levels to hold. If EMA breaks, then that'll put the middle Bollinger Band on deck. As you can see, the middle Bollinger Band held all day today, and so bulls would like to see that level hold. If it does, the uptrend should continue. If the middle Bollinger Band breaks, that will equal downside risk, and that would put the lower Bollinger Band at 29 on deck. Fasto and RSI both closed in the power zone. There was very good volume today with volume into the close. MACD had a MACD bullish crossover at 315. Okay, let's take a look at the daily chart here, and this has EMA's 4 and 8 and the Bollinger Bands, and this chart is a 3-month daily chart, and as you can see, there are multiple gap ups on the chart. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gap up opens in a row, and then today's candle formed up here above the upper Bollinger Band, which is at 0.272. That's the solid purple line, and above the EMA, above the upper Bollinger Band, and that's the key. This candle here is showing you that the run is getting frothy. I mean, that's 5 gap ups in a row. Of course, this has been a huge move, but this is another red flag. When a candle forms above the upper Bollinger Band, it signals an unsustainable move higher. Okay, because the candles will always work their way back into the Bollinger Bands. So look for EMA 4 at 0.268 for the first support level, and then EMA 8 at 0.196. As long as the middle Bollinger Band holds at 0.111, the uptrend should continue. Okay, this uptrend just started here on the 24th when middle Bollinger Band resistance broke. As you can see, there's very big volume bars, so there's huge volume behind this move. And if you look at MACD here, MACD, the histogram bars have been building, and then this is another red flag. Look at the trajectory of the MACD line, which is the green line here. Look how vertical that is. I mean, that's more than a double black diamond. That's like a you're doing some helicopter shoot skiing there, because that is very steep and that trajectory is unsustainable. So there are multiple red flags in this chart. The steep MACD line, the multiple gaps, and then the candle forming above the upper Bollinger Band, and then Fasto and RSI at overbought levels. Those are all red flags. Okay, Fasto at 100.00 is maxed. Right now it's at 96.84, so there's not much juice to run much higher. Okay, let's look at the final chart. This is another daily chart, and this chart shows the 50, 100, and 200 day moving averages. And as you can see here, there was this close yesterday above the 100-day moving average, and that set up this possible run up to the 200-day moving average at 55, and that is our guess that will be the target for tomorrow. We could see possibly that level being hit, and that being the resistance and signaling the top of this run. So look for the 200-day moving average is the line in the sand. If NETE fails to break that level, that will equal downside risk, and that would possibly put a 100-day moving average support test on deck. The 50-day moving average hasn't been tested as well, so that's something to keep in mind going forward. Okay, this is just an epic run. Congrats to everybody that caught the early charts, and to everyone who's been trading NETE. Thank you. Hope you're having a great day. Please check out our website at mychartcoach.com, and also check out our YouTube channel at mychartcoach.com. All right, thank you.